Hey there, Natural Home Remedy family. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the incredible power of nature to heal and soothe. And today we have a topic that everyone can relate to: insect bites. If you've ever found yourself itching and scratching after a mosquito attack or a surprise encounter with some pesky bugs, you're in the right place. Itchy, swollen bug bites got you down. Before you reach for chemical-laden creams, try these 10 natural home remedies to soothe insect bites fast. From your kitchen cupboard to your backyard, you likely have the simple ingredients on hand to stop the itch and irritation. As soon as you notice a bite, clean the area thoroughly with antibacterial soap and cool water. Be sure to wash away any remaining pollen or venom that may cause increased irritation. Making a thick paste of baking soda and water can help dry out oozing blisters while reducing swelling and itch. Let the mixture sit for 5 to 10 minutes before rinsing. The cooling sensation provides fast relief. For an anti-inflammatory treatment, head to your fridge for raw apple cider vinegar. Soak a cotton ball, and dab liberally onto bites up to a few times a day. The acetic acid stops your body's histamine reaction. Another option from your kitchen is honey. It contains enzymes that neutralize toxins from a bite while moisturizing the skin. Simply smear some onto the bite, and allow it to soak in. Crushed garlic can sting at first but contains allicin and sulfur compounds that are natural antibiotics and can prevent infection. Mix with a bit of water to form a paste. Aloe vera gel is another go-to for sunburns that also works to reduce swelling, redness, and itching from pesky bites. Apply liberally, and reapply as needed. For immediate cooling relief, head to your freezer for an ice pack. Apply to the affected area for 10 to 15 minutes to constrict blood vessels and numb nerve endings that cause itching. Oatmeal contains Remedies that are anti-irritants that can reduce inflammation. Make an oatmeal paste or add some ground oats to your bath water. Basil leaves contain antimicrobial essential oils like eugenol, citronellol, and linalool to ward off infection. Crush leaves to release oils and apply to the bite. Finally, apply witch hazel extract. It's a natural astringent with antioxidant and antimicrobial benefits that constricts blood vessels to reduce swelling and ease itching. While home treatments can provide relief in mild cases, seek medical attention if you experience severe swelling, pain, or any signs of infection after a few days. Don't let the bed bugs bite. I've included 10 different home remedy options to help provide complete coverage of natural treatments for insect bites. Let me know if you need any clarification or have additional suggestions.